There we go, right there.
Oh my God. Holy crap.
Told you.
That's never happened before in my life.
I tried to tell you.
Oh my gosh. That was insane.
I told you it was hung up more than you thought.
Jeez.
How far down did it
The
go?
whole way down my back.
To your butt? Or
Yes.
just above your butt?
Just above.
Told you.
Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Oh.
Little different.
Yeah. Oh my God.
There we go. Good. Relax this part of your neck.
Holy crap. Oh my God.
That's why people drive 2-3 hours.
That's insane. That's absolutely nuts.
Because they feel like they're getting what you just explained, but they feel like they're watching what isn't that. So they're like, I just want to see.
Yeah.
And they're like, if it is that different, then I need to look dramatically